Hey YouTube, I'm making a very quick video about RAM. What does RAM stand for? It stands for Random Access Memory. What does that mean? Well, you have storage, say a hard drive or solid state drive on your computer, and you also have RAM. RAM is used to generally, hopefully, a lot less than your storage amount. I've got 32 gigabytes of RAM in my Ryzen build, my Mac Pro, and then I've got 8 gigabytes of RAM in my XP and Ubuntu computer. What RAM is, it's memory that is in between the CPU and your storage. It's much faster than storage, your hard drive or solid state drive. It's still a lot faster than either of those. And so when you launch an application, your computer will take the files needed to run that application from your storage and then put it into your RAM for quicker access to everything that's needed. And RAM is also volatile memory, as compared to non-volatile memory. What does that mean? It means that since it's a volatile memory, if your computer loses power, all data that's stored in the RAM is erased. It's gone, dead, doesn't exist anymore. As compared to a hard drive or solid state drive that even after they are powered down, all of their storage, everything that's there, is still there. Hard drives and solid state drives are non-volatile, meaning they do not require power to keep your files stored, whereas RAM is volatile memory, and it requires power to keep all of your files and everything that's written there on there. So yeah, that's what RAM is. If you learned something if you didn't, dislike, comment and tell me what you think.